Welcome, my viewers and subscribers. As usual, what I say, what I go out with. I want to stay out there, alright? I hope everybody is in good health and good strength. And you don't know, a prayer day, keep the devil away. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, you don't know what we are do every day. Each one teach one. We go shout out a few YouTubers, content creator like myself, small, young, just start, I want some push, I want some help. You don't know which part we go. We go start off with Casey Adventure. Big up yourself, mama, big up. Remember, my viewers and subscriber, go over there, go check her out. And my viewers and subscriber, here we go on. K Grand Official TV. Yeah, man, up in London there. Give her a check. Give her a follow. Watch our video them. Help her for reach which part she want to go, because you don't know you go all the way there out here, because we have a plan, we have a journey. Yeah, man, Maki TV. Now see I heard you out. Manners and respect. Manix. See you with that big TV there. But you don't know, I saw the thing go. Love it, my general. And who again? Shirley D. Respect. Enough nice food you cook. Ocean and Noya. Manners and respect. I know the big veteran them. Me always go call out some of the big veteran them. You don't know. Colaz TV. Drizzy Burke Overwalking TV. Yeah, man. Professor Bingy. You don't know you go. Sunshine Boss. Now see I heard because you don't know. I see it. I see what you do. See where you go out. Love it, me out. But anyway, my viewers and subscribers, right here now, I have a nice one for them. I don't know if you don't see it yet. But I'm going to react to a very nice collab. I love the collab. I like the collab. I respect the collab. And you know why I respect it? This YouTuber is a big YouTuber. And to what I see, this YouTuber you love Jamaica. Also, this YouTuber love Jamaican food. Yes, man. The YouTuber you me I go talk about just love Jamaican food. And as big as this YouTuber is, this YouTuber take time out to come to Jamaica, go to Jamaica and limelight Jamaica from east, west, north and south. Yes, man. This YouTuber is not just a YouTuber where do things on a small scale. And this YouTuber happen to come big up the one and only, the dumpling god, the dumpling boss, the coconut dumpling inventor, Colaz. Yeah, man, this YouTuber come big up Colaz, go up in the hills and do a whole bunch of things. But needless to say no more. What I want to do is I want to show you something. Take a good look. Me move out of the way. You see what I show you? Yes, that me I show you. Nice look. Yeah, man. So, viewers and subscriber, with no further ado, I want to introduce to you David's been here, meet, connect with Colaz TV. So we go react to the video and we go show you what go on. I couldn't see what go on. Me laugh. Me not tell you me laugh, but me could do it, huh? Alright, me could do it. Yeah, man, me could start the video right here now.
We're with Colaz TV and we're hunting some roosters. I got a red so far.
catch and the place is wet. But we're up for the challenge. Alright, so today we're gonna run down a wild fowl. We call them common fowl in Jamaica. Some people just say yard fowl, but we're gonna run them down until they're tired. We're gonna jump and catch them. Place is wet. Some people might slide, you know. Some people might drop, but it is what it is. It's all a part of the adventure. I got my team with me. We're gonna see them in a minute. And once we catch a fowl or one, we're gonna head into the hills and we're gonna curry the chicken, right? Yeah, we're gonna curry the fowl and we're gonna do some coconut dumpling. Colaz my TV is famous for the coconut dumpling. You're gonna love it. Yeah, so that is what's on the menu for today. Action film video today, man. That is it. No joke. No joke.
No joke. So right now we're in Portland.
Now my viewers and subscriber. that enemy nice, you know, so I could go and listen to where this brief talking is about.
Well, technically we are in St. Mary, but we are right at the border of Portland and St. Mary. So when we head up in the hills, we'll already cross over into Portland.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And so we're gonna head up in this van, or how are we going?
Yeah, we're gonna head up in this van after we catch the fowl.
And then from the fowl, we're gonna go cook it.
Yeah, we're gonna cook it. I cook the coconut dumpling, trust me. Yeah, you're gonna love it.
And you love cooking, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I started out cooking, you know, creative cooking, not just, you know, regular.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. And that is what, you know, kinda, you know, push the channel up.
Get a shot at the rooster. Over here.
Come. This guy right here. You guys gonna catch that by hand?
Yeah.
Should I try to catch that?
It's not gonna be easy, but
So we're coming up on all these goats. Yeah, we went far. Oh, there's one over there. No? Right there. That's running in here. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, don't slip.
Wendy, you done here?
There he is. Right in front of you.
That one's at him. We want the rooster.
Oh yeah, that's a hen? Oh.
So what? This one. Don't make him pass it.
There's one right over there. Let's run through here. It's right there. Hey.
Hold on. My viewers and subscriber. No, sir. My viewers and subscriber. Let me tell you something. And here you. Hold on a little bit. Let me come in the screen. And here you ever run down fowl yet? I try to catch it. As soon as you reach near to the fowl just fly off and gone. No, hold on. Let me say this. And here you will watch this. What the Jamaican in there? Come. What Jamaican in there? Come here, man. And here you have to go catch fowl. For eat Sunday dinner yet? Oh, hold on a little bit. You hear me a laugh? It's a laughing matter still. But that's a serious thing. Remember when we don't have no money to buy a fowl for cook. And a yard fowl we have to catch for cook, kill him Sunday morning, pick him in a hot water and cook him for dinner. Who remember them days there? Comment down below who remember when I saw you have to eat Sunday dinner. If you not catch the fowl, you can't eat no dinner. Comment down below and make you watch this video here because, brother, this video here, no normal. Big up yourself, David.
Get him. Away. Damn. Hey, they're quick. You gotta like hunt them down. Oh my god. Beautiful. How are we gonna eat this guy later? This is the guy I want to eat.
Oh no.
Go curry. Is it go curry or curry goat?
Yeah, man. Curry goat. Yeah, we say curry goat, I guess. Some other people say goat curry. Or chicken curry, we say curry chicken. Yeah.
He looks good though. He looks yummy, bro. Somebody's backyard.
Oh, let's see.
There it is. Oh, there he is. There he is.
Enough of them over here, enough too.
Yeah, there's a few, huh? There he is. All right, we're on the hunt. Let's go get these roasters. There's like 7 of them. Into the bush. Yeah. They're all here.
Yeah, right here.
Right. They're going around the bush.
Now it's splitting. There's some right here and some right there.
Don't wild them in. We gotta time them. Because they're fast.
Yeah.
You know, we gotta catch our breaths a little bit.
Hold on, people. Colaz tired. Colaz tired. Colaz a take break. Again, my viewers and subscribers, comment down below. Tell me if you don't remember when you have to catch the fowl for eat dinner. And if you don't catch the fowl for eat the dinner, you don't eat no chicken. Comment down below because remember when my mother and we have to out to do a run down the fowl. Sometimes we catch the fowl from Saturday. And the fowl losing 3 points the next morning because we don't have no refrigerator. My viewers and subscribers, remember when my mother don't have no fridge and we cannot get no meat until the morning of cooking food. And with Sunday, a red rice and rooster day. And we have to catch that rooster either Saturday or catch the rooster Sunday morning. Sometimes you know what we do? Wait till them asleep, till them go up on the tree. We go underneath the tree, creep underneath the tree, and catch them. You know how much fall shit dropping a filmy boy your head? Me could watch the video.
And then get enough energy. They're gonna try to hide us in the bush. That's what we want. We just need to spot them, and then we can get them. Yeah.
Because they're high, they're just going to stay.
Yeah, they're just gonna stay at one place.
There they are. Oh! Seeing some Aki up there. What color are you getting? Because let's say you're getting the more yellow. Or here's some right here. That's not ready. The ones that are open. All the ones that are open, right?
Yes, I want to.
There he is, over there. He's over there. Ran so far. Try to run up. These guys.
Now we got a challenge, but
We got enough men. I think we got this.
we just need to keep them over this side. It's easier. Some of my other guys, this one is a climber. So he usually climb all the tall trees, pick the coconut, the breadfruit, the jelly. Yeah.
Sorry, what's your name?
Climber.
Clem.
Yeah, but my right name is Oris.
Horace, pleasure, nice to meet you.
And then we got our main camera guy. He's Kanta. So he's the one doing all the recordings.
The hero behind the lights.
Yeah.
Awesome.
And then T-Bag. Yeah.
Yeah.
Love the names, man.
Yeah, we got a few others, but you know, we gotta start until they come.
We're going to construction site right now. Huh?
No sweat.
Where'd he go? Where'd he go? We're in somebody's backyard. It's very slippery. Oh, I got it! We got him!
I get you, man. I can't get you.
We got one. That's enough.
That's enough. Yeah. And we're gonna go up into the hills. We're gonna take the bus, we're gonna drive up, and then we're gonna start the whole cooking process. Because these fowls, they take a little bit longer time to prepare than the one that you buy in the supermarket, the chicken. So we have to start early so we can finish in time.
And why is that? Just a different like fat to meat ratio, or it's just
These are more natural. So they grow from, they eat leaves, bugs.
not as fatty.
Yeah, it's pure organic.
So it's organic. So they're not as soft or tender as the one you buy in the supermarket.
Well, I'm hungry, so let's get started.
Let's go.
Now, guys. Boy, I want to see the drop I can't get. As some used to drop when me, I try to run down the foul. And I catch it. You know, say, one of the reasons why me decided to react to this video, because remember, this video is David been here video, and I reach out to him and ask him for permission to use his video, because it's full video, and he gave me the permission to use his full video, because this video remind me when I was a little boy. Yeah, man. This video remind me of when I was a boy in a Jamaica. I run down fall for cook. When me Jamaican in there, big up on yourself, because we come from far. Comment down below if you used to run down the fall for catch the fall for your mother cook dinner or Sunday, or if your brother or if your family member used to do it, or if you know about it. Comment, man. Comment down below. Me could discuss it. Me could go and watch the video.
Give me a dumpling early, man.
Yeah. Zach, you ready to pressure that phone now? Hold on, get them out.
Do you pressure cook them? Is that how you do it? Or you just
No pressure, you just put them on the wood fire.
The wood fire?
Yeah, the wood fire will blaze it up and then it's easier.
Look at all these eggs. These are all fresh eggs?
Yeah. And he's going to show you the layer.
Okay. Very nice, can I see?
You got fish.
How you know they're fresh? Hey, how you doing? Hi. No worries. Yeah, cool. Delivery service right here?
Yeah, so you can take a look at the coop and the chickens that produce those eggs.
Oh, they're here?
Yeah.
Back there?
He's going to show you.
Okay.
Let's go with it.
Alright.
Can't show them the coop going.
So we're gonna see the rooster and the hens that make these eggs. Right over here. See some ducks as well. Hey, you know what it feels like? It feels like I'm in West Virginia at Homestead.
That's interesting.
It's the same. I'm running there. Oh my gosh. It's like 100 in there. Oh man. Right in there we have about 100 hens. It smells, I don't want to tell you what it smells like, but let's go. Careful walking out of here. Alright, we're gonna get in the car and go cook this food.
Take that bike, bro. Don't fly nothing.
Alright, let me get in here. Here we go.
Bumpy road.
Yeah, and it's gonna get more bumpier.
You know what I call this? The Jamaican massage. Oh my gosh.
Got the foul right there.
He gets it eaten and
Like off-roading, bro.
Yeah. We're like going through mad, huge potholes. Oh my god. Hold on to something. The pot in the back is flying. Oh my god. Man, it's nuts.
Man, this is fun.
Nuts.
For what?
Oh my god. Are you driving this? Yeah, dude, we're used to this. So I'm not used to it, but I've done it many times. But it always gets scary. Oh my god. Wild, dude. Oh my god.
Guys, my viewers and subscribers, what are they? Jamaicans. Man, Jamaica nice. Jamaica. Land of food a paradise, you know. The road, me you know, have the road me have only a patrol. But when you're in it and you are rock and I tell you, can't forget my Jamaica. Can't forget my Jamaica. Beautiful. Yes, man. And to each and every one out there, that's why it is good to support the Jamaican YouTubers them. Because what them a do is them a show the world the real Jamaica. Yeah, man. The real Jamaica, the Colaz, the walking TV, the foul, who again? Professor Bingy, who again? All of the YouTubers them, when you're in Jamaica there. We are do them spearfishing, we are do all kind of things. We are endorse the country and assure Jamaica to the world. Enough respect, enough manners. Yes, man. Because me I tell you, the world need to see them things here. So that the world can go down to Jamaica, go do them things here. Go up in the mountain in a vehicle, a drive and a rock and... So man, we could go and watch them, man.
Hold the pot! Oh my gosh. Was it sliding?
Uh-oh.
Was it sliding?
Uh-oh. Brother?
Got this? Oh my gosh.
Jeez. Chokes, hold on, man.
I'll be a mud that in there, brother.
Hey, we're good. We're gonna get on the rocks.
Hold on.
Let's go.
It go? No, sir.
So we're going up, guys. And we're giving them a nice ride up. Woo.
As long as it's not muddy like that. I mean, hopefully that dries up by the time we come back down. Wow, we're getting really high up in the hills. The view's gonna be epic, huh? Epic.
Hold on, let me stop and say something. David, been here. We don't know if you have watched this video. But you see if you have watched this video, what I want to say to you is big respect. Because me not going to have another. Me, I come out. Me, in other words, is when me talk, so the American them where I watch a video can understand me. I say, I am coming out of that vehicle and walk. Then go back in there after I pass that muddy part. Yes, even though the load inside the vehicle is what helping the vehicle to go up. But me a scare the cat when he come on to vehicle. Make we go and watch.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. What? Is that a mongoose? Yeah. That's a mongoose. Ooh. We're gonna end up there like tossed.
That's some shots.
On the way down is gonna be nuts.
Come out. Then come out.
Oh my gosh, dense rainforest here. Up in the hills.
We want to make a quick stop to get some coconut. Because we do everything mostly natural from the bush, from the farm. So we're coming up on the coconut trees or the coconut farm. We're gonna get one giant coconut to work with. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna stop right here. We got our climber. He's gonna get a coconut for us.
Let's go. Who's climbing? Yeah, man, that's a high coconut tree. That's tall, man. To climb that, you guys have to have balls, man.
Or 6 toes like the one Ronnie.
Yeah. No, there's a closer one.
Alright, so he's gonna get one right up there.
Right up there? We'll follow you. Luckily for us, on the way up, it's not so muddy. Just very thick bush. Bush everywhere. Palm trees. Palm. Look at that. Oh, good coconuts. Those are big. Massive. Are they super sweet?
Yeah.
Alright, so it's like...
My viewers and subscribers. Also, let me share that little light. When you're there at Jamaica, it's hard for your hunger. Very hard for your hunger. Because everywhere you turn, there's something that you can eat. Sometimes it's not your land and a feel land, but when you don't feel land, you find a way to pick a fruit and eat, because Jamaica have a lot of fruits. Yeah, man, whole heap of fruits. Jamaica is just paradise, tropical paradise, nice paradise. It's just paradise. And again, big up to all the YouTubers them. Big up to David, because if you go over him channel and watch him channel, you will see all who him come at Jamaica come do video with. Yeah, man. Him do video with Food Boss. Him do video with almost everybody so far. What me see. Hero Circle, Crab, everywhere him go eat Jamaican food. So I want to big him up. And my viewers and subscribers. No, not my subscribers, not my beautiful subscribers, but my viewers. You've been watching so far, don't you? Make it this far in the video. Like the video, no man. Thumbs you up, no man. Subscribe to the channel. Make we grow together. Make we do a thing together. Make you can see more of this kind of video. Click the bell. So that means as soon as I post a video, you'll be the first one to get acknowledgement that the video is there. So, we are wait, man. Make we go and watch the video. No wait, man. No wait. Just click the bell. Click subscribe. Subscribe, man. Sure.
Grab the tree, just climb straight up. So you just twist it?
Yeah, he's the best climber, you know? That's why we call him climber. Yeah, he climbed all these trees.
I mean, he's risking his life climbing this tree with the slope right here. If he falls, that's a big drop.
David says that big drop.
Just twisting it. That's it.
That next one there. Which one?
Top one, next one. Then see him two there. Then see him two there.
Next one.
Front one.
Yeah, that one.
Alright.
Not easy. There it goes. He just keeps twisting them until they get off the tree. Look at that. Oh. Not easy, huh, Nate?
Not at all.
Oh.
Nice.
Is that all good?
So this will go in our coconut dumpling.
Nice.
So now he's just getting some jelly for you guys to drink.
You've been climbing since you were a little kid?
Yeah, from what? 6, 7.
Yeah?
I climb Aki tree.
How high can you climb?
Long as me can climb the tree, long as me can grip the tree. As long as the tree not slippery, but it's slippery, that really could challenge it to climb it.
I mean, you're risking your life climbing right here. Seriously, because if you drop, this is a big drop.
Nah, drop man.
Not a drop? You never fall?
No,
He's got some cannons to hold on with tight with, you know what I'm saying?
I mean, it's almost like this is the climbing.
The body strength.
It's like climbing jiu-jitsu. He's like stopping the kids. I know. He's ripped.
That's it.
There's a gel them young come with them to drink some gel, but I think when I want to go them burst, so I have to leave them when it's a full.
I got the gel.
I like your patois, your accent, man. It's deep.
How does it work, bro? I'm just a driver, you know?
You're the one keeping me alive, bro.
We're gonna get you up and down there in one piece, don't worry.
Whoa. It's steep.
Oh my gosh. How do I hold on to it? Let me tell you a story. So, I didn't go to school for driving. You wanna know how I learned to drive? I play video games, man.
Oh, Grand Theft Auto.
Yeah.
That's it. Forza. Online.
Oh my gosh, dude. It's not easy.
As long as you don't get more than one life, you know?
Wow, that's the view.
That's the view. So you gotta get out and you gotta see it.
Let's go. Right here, we're setting up the pot. Look at the view, the most epic view of Jamaica I've ever seen.
It's amazing.
This is incredible. So we go that way, we have Ocho Rios, and then you go more south, you go Boston Bay.
Helicopter right here.
You can see our cars right there. See the 2 white cars?
Mm-hmm.
That's where we were. Yeah, so this is it, guys. We are on top of the mountain and we can look and we see all the beautiful ocean view. We've been getting a lot of rain, that's why you see the ocean a little bit dirty right now, because there are rivers that lead into there. But nonetheless, it's beautiful, it's cool, it's nice. You know, we're happy to be here. We're gonna chef up some coconut dumpling with some wild fowl. Yeah, man.
I knew there was an easy way to get up here. There it is. That's
There it is. That's my ride.
Mark Queens. That's how Mark Queens gets here.
No, it's Elon. It's Elon.
Alright, so first thing we do, we're gonna get our coconut ready. You know, we're gonna get it out the husk and then out the shell and then we grate it. So let's do this. Alright.
Is that one full?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. It's tough. Can you do that one?
Yeah. So you just get these off.
What do you call it to us?
My viewers and subscribers, you know, watching this video, really and truly, watching this video bring me way back. Yeah. Watching this video bring me way back. Who remember when they used to have to chop coconut? Maybe not the ladies, but the man them, the guys them. Who remember when you have to go out the door, go chop coconut? Or who still a do it? Yeah, who still a do it? Me not chop the coconut still, but I tell you, I could go and watch a video.
The husk, yeah. And then you get to the shell. So,
Yeah, you still want to open the water before it's ready.
yeah.
There's an art to this.
Yeah. Some people do it with just like a stick.
A stick?
Yeah, that's the traditional way. They call it like a peg. You know, they stick in the ground, sharpen one end of it and jam it, and then peel it off. Yeah, but it's... Alright, so this is the fresh, dry coconut.
Now guys, I'm showing you say, this is not that joke thing in there, man. See it there? Me never ox it out like him still, like Colaz. But at them me have to buy, at them me use. No powder around here. Yeah man, at them me use. Yeah man, no powder around here. Straight coconut, grate it, or me put it in the blender. Yeah man, the realest. Yeah.
Freshly picked. Some people drink this one, this water, but I don't drink this one. I usually drink the green one.
Got it.
So.
It's gonna pop, huh? There it goes. You sort of lose half of it right there. Not really. It's a good amount. And that's...
Yeah, some people drink it.
No, this is the best one to get the flesh, because that's you grate it, right? And then from there you add it to the dumpling.
Right.
Let's try this. Tasty. So you're using both the water and the...
No, we're gonna... After we grate it, we're gonna squeeze the juice from it. Yeah, and the juice is what we're gonna use to cook our dumplings. And we're gonna flavor the pot. You're gonna, trust me, you're gonna see how we do it. It's gonna be super nice.
Are we gonna go catch a manicure or something out here? I mean, I
think you want to.
I feel like there could be some bush meat around here.
Unfortunately, not in this part.
I think they call it to catch it. If you want to go get it, we'll wait.
I'll try.
Right now, guys, what we're gonna do, I get the coconut ox out, so we'll put the knife between down in the groove, and then you take time to work your fist, your wrist around, and take time, because if you don't take time, it can slip out and cut yourself.
Starting off, taking out the flesh. Scraping off the flesh.
And then the shell, you don't throw away the shell. The shell you use for the fire. The shell makes great for blazing. So you want to try?
No, it's fine. I'm good, bro. I want to see it being done.
Let's do it.
Try it.
Yeah, let's try it. Let me hold it there.
Oh wow, this is not easy at all. This is like hard actually. So I cut myself. That'll be a bad day. It's not easy.
Yeah.
Fail.
Can do it. Just
Oh, you're gonna break it?
yeah.
Yeah, but that was more straight. The other one was way too curvy.
Come on, Riz.
Sorrel beater. So it's lager mixed with sorrel. Hibiscus.
Tastes like Christmas.
Tastes like Christmas. So we're nice and grate the coconut.
Yeah, so what we do, we're grate the coconut, kind of watch the coconut at the same time, because if you grate that and you grate it too hard with bro, sweet.
It's good, but we need something more, so keep it. That's very tasty.
And so we on the channel we mostly use like firewood, we don't use a lot of charcoal. We love cooking with these. So we're gonna get the fire packed and light. Let's do this.
When me Jamaican in there. Oh, come here. Who remember when you have to chop wood? Hold on. Fire stick. You have to chop fire stick. To make up fire. But let me stop a little bit there. To all of my viewers and subscribers them who know about this kind of life, enough respect. How far we are come from. Yeah, man. How far we are come from. We are come from far from Wapikill. I can't say it, kid. Yeah, man, or Wapikill fill up. How far we are come from. So, to all the Jamaicans them out there, we used to run down fall for catch fall for eat. We used to have a chop fire stick, whether if rain or fall or no rain or fall, for get dinner, breakfast or lunch. Enough respect to all of the mothers them. Listen me now, man. To all of the mothers them where used to have to in the kitchen, out the door, smoke in your nose, smoke in your eyes, smoke up your clothes, after you cook dinner for kids and husband and boyfriend and man, enough respect. That's the reason why me tell people say, me have to respect, love and care my mother and father. My father passed away, rest in peace, General. My mother is still alive and I have to support, I have to respect her, I have to help her until if she leave this earth before me. Yes, man. So all mothers, all parents who used to do this, all man who used to do this and who still do it, big up on yourself. Enough respect. Make you watch the video.
Chops down.
Yeah.
Good wood.
Yeah, this, they call it sweet wood.
Sweet wood.
Yeah, see.
Very sweet.
I don't know why they call it that.
This is the wood they use to make jerk chicken, jerk pork. This is what they use for the flame. It's pimento wood, and they say it adds a lot of flavor, and the flames just go really high.
Yeah, so a lot of benefits. You can actually use the leaves for jerking your chicken. And right now, I'm going to show you the leaf. You can actually use it to cook as well. You know, in your curry, you can put a little piece of the tree. This is a green, so this is a leaf. Yeah, smell that one. So it's
nice fragrance.
Yeah.
So to all of the people, guys, make we stop yourself a little bit. To all of the people where underestimate Jamaican food and who always talk different about Jamaican food. Jamaican food is the tropical paradise of the Caribbean. Yes, man. Comment down below. Which other nation food nice like Jamaica? Like Jamaican food. But I'm going up on a limb, brother. Comment down below. David, give me your take on Jamaican food, because enough time and long time you are eat it. So give me your take on what you think about Jamaican food. David, may I put you at the helm of this situation.
Oh yeah. And then when it's dry like this now, blaze, no smoke, perfect. So a lot of the jerk places tend to use this, because you know, perfect for blazing. And it also add flavor to the food.
And it's readily available because it's all over the island.
Yeah.
None of that baked jerk. Come on, guys.
Like her.
Did you hear that? Did you hear what the cameraman said? None of that bake jerk. Sometimes we're not going to go into this topic still, but sometimes I say to people, if you put the chicken in the oven and say I jerk, you jerk it, you don't jerk nothing. You bake it. Just say some bake jerk chicken and not no jerk chicken. Just say bake jerk chicken. And we understand. Because when you jerk chicken, you jerk it out of the pan, the coal or the wood, whatever you want to use. But when you bake it in the oven. So to all of the people when we talk, remember, it is called bake jerk chicken. Or bake chicken with jerk sauce on it.
Real.
And the berry, the pimento berry, they use it by.
Oh, the berry?
Yeah, you grow, but it's not the season for it. We call it bram bram in Jamaica. I don't know if anybody else call it that, but we call them bram bram, the smaller ones. Because these are what catch first and then the bigger stick. We're gonna pop the fireside now. This is where the pot sits. Yeah, so let's just pop this.
So that's got a little bit of wood.
Yeah. Alright, so usually kind of pop them like leaving a little bit hanging. Okay. Yeah.
So you leave some air pockets.
Right,
The air,
right.
the fire has air to, like maybe like this.
Yeah.
Put these in
Yeah, you can put them on the top.
on top. Get the shells of the coconut.
If you add a little bit of oil, it keeps this from burning out too quick, and it acts as a like a kerosene as well.
Like kerosene.
Yeah, so
Wow, cool. We gotta put it under.
put it on there.
Yep. Perfect. Here. Let's get some of this. Seeing a fire being lit, I think it's part of our human nature. You know, reconnecting with our ancient ancestors who would go out and starve for 18 days and then find something and then start a fire, cook it in the freezing winter. You know, that's what life was. So you cook a lot like this?
Yeah.
How many
This
times
is-
a week?
We usually do like 3 times per week. Sometimes we're on the river, sometimes we're all the way out there on the seaside.
Over here we have the Blue Mountains, that way. Oh, over here. So we have ahi, we have Blue Mountains, we have coffee. Incredible. Is that our farmland? It's all like very virgin. Almost
Back
like,
in the days, people used to plant carrots right here.
oh, yeah.
Because usually you plant carrot on a hillside. So they plow the land, and they come from up here and they sprinkle the seeds.
Wow.
Yeah.
So just gonna cut it in pieces.
The knife gonna cut it.
But it's super fresh, huh? It's gonna be great. So he's gonna put the pot on and we're gonna squeeze the coconut.
Okay. So just like this. And the reason why we don't put in any liquid in it as yet is because we wanted to ensure that the pot sits perfectly. Because if we had liquid, it would be more heavy too.
For sure.
Yeah.
And if it's not in the right position, so drain the water.
Yeah.
Careful.
Alright, so what we're gonna do over here with our coconut.
Okay.
Great. So let's get some water in this.
She's adding some water to the coconut. Perfect. Now you're gonna strain it?
Yeah, we're gonna strain it. Let's go. Straight into the pot. So extracting the milk from the trash.
Wow. How many times do you do that?
Depends on how many food you're cooking. So if it's not a lot, then you don't need a lot of liquid. So we're gonna do this just like one more time. Get all the milk from it.
Ooh, that flame. That view.
This is gonna be what's cooking the dumpling. And we're gonna season it up so it's gonna be packed with flavors.
Yeah, it's the same way they do it for the coconut rice in Colombia.
Yeah.
Same exact way. After this, you add the rice right there and you boil the rice in that water.
Yeah,
You
right.
get that yummy taste.
So this should be enough for what we're doing.
Okay. And what do you do with that, with the rest of it?
Some people put it in the flour, but I don't.
You dump it in the flour.
No. So we just throw this away.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So we're gonna close the pot, let it boil up. And then meanwhile it's getting hot and boiling, we're gonna start kneading the dumplings. Or the dough to make the dumplings. Yeah. Now we're gonna get into kneading the dumpling. Sometimes we use like pumpkin in it, sometimes we use callaloo, other times we just do it like with plain flour. Alright, so we're gonna do it with the plain flour
Okay.
now. So let's get this going.
So it's just plain flour, water?
Right, but trust me, all the flavor will be coming from the coconut
Exactly.
milk. So usually, when you need your flour, you leave like a little bit just in case you spoil it. Yeah, but I don't usually spoil flour though, so.
Okay, so we're gonna add some water now.
Right, and then first before we do that, we get a little bit of salt.
Okay.
In Jamaica, we don't measure salt, but we never salt the pot. We always know the right amount. Alright, so we get it in there. Right, so now we mix it in.
So he's gonna knead the dumpling. So he's gonna pull it.
Yep.
So you definitely need more water for this.
Yeah.
Wow, dumpling. So big part of the culture, huh? Dumplings?
Yeah, in Jamaica we eat a lot of dumplings.
No, yesterday we had an amazing dumpling for breakfast. It was so good and sweet. It was almost like a festival.
Yeah.
Here's gonna be coconut. I haven't had coconut dumpling before.
You're gonna love this one, trust me.
No, I know.
While I'm kneading the dumpling, Climate is gonna cut up
all the vegetables
seasoning and the vegetables that's gonna go into the pot.
So he's cutting over here. Bell pepper. You have some green onion. What else is in that pot?
Thyme, hot pepper. Yeah.
Well, almost looks like a noodle.
Yeah.
You know, dumplings, noodles, all comes from the Silk Road. Huge influence from, from China, Marco Polo, and then made it all the way to the Caribbean. Yeah, so depending where you go, like Pelori, Festival, dumpling, they're similar, right? Because you're using the same ingredient, but some of them, they make them in different shapes, some of them make them sweeter. Festival is nice and sweet.
Definitely.
Pelori in Trinidad is not so sweet. But then you add it with the mint chutneys and stuff. Oh God, I love that food. Jamaica or Trinidad, who has better food? It's a joke. I love Jamaican food. Jamaican food has inspired the entire Caribbean. Yeah. Like all the food, even the language, like Wagwan, you could hear that spoken throughout the entire Caribbean.
I'm on LinkedIn, man. Wagwan, my general, my day. Everything good? Yeah, man, everything good.
The Thor of dumpling. Look at his biceps, bro.
So any minute now we can start adding it into the pot.
Oh yeah, we start adding it? Perfect.
Let's see if you know what to do with this.
With this?
Yeah, what are you gonna do with this?
With this?
You're using it wrong.
Wrong?
Yeah. Turn it up. Right, see?
Like this?
Yeah, let's lift.
This?
See. You lift it all the way.
Okay, and we're not putting this down?
Oh, you can't hold it for a while.
Hold it for a while. I'm on a slant right here. This thing's on fire.
Get used to your Captain America moves, bro.
Can't pour them, make me skinny. So we're gonna be adding, this is some jerk seasoning. Alright, so we're gonna be adding some, and like I said, we don't really measure, so I'm not gonna tell you 1 teaspoon now. No, we just...
Yeah, man, to all of the Jamaican, them again. Me a talk to you know say we no measure nothing. We just... We use visibility. For do what we are doing and season the food, and boy, the food they're nice.
We just know when we put enough, right? We just look, they see, and we just get some. Then we have, this is some all-purpose seasoning, same thing. We just get, this is our natural seasoning, our natural vegetables, so we get it in there as well.
Wow.
Then we're gonna start putting our dumplings.
So he's gonna needle it right there. That's him doing. That's the needle.
So.
Dry, stay giant. 2 times more durable, so you can use less.
In other news, Minnesota residents are going to be happy to hear this. It just came out. There's a new website where any Minnesota resident, as long as you live within a zip code in the state, you can apply to have your auto insurance rates reduced significantly. All you have to do to qualify is to have 0 DUIs in the last 5 years. If that's you, we put a link below. Just enter your Minnesota zip code and you'll find out instantly that you qualify to have your auto insurance rates reduced by up to 80%. It costs absolutely nothing to claim this, so claim it now while it still lasts. In other news, Minnesota residents are going to be happy to hear this. It just came out. There's a new website where any Minnesota resident, as long as you live within a zip code in the state, you can apply to have your auto insurance rates reduced significantly. All you have to do to qualify is to have 0 DUIs in the last 5 years. If that's you, we put a link below. Just enter your Minnesota zip code and you'll find out instantly that you qualify to have your auto insurance rates reduced by up to 80%. It costs absolutely nothing to claim this, so claim it now while it still lasts.
Ooh. This is how we do it, and then just press them out, flatten them, and just get them in there. Alright.
Let me see how you do.
Yeah, just roll it into a ball.
Roll it.
You have to put pressure on it. Put pressure.
Let me try.
So like a perfect ball, and then just use right here and press. Get it like that.
Yeah, man.
So you gotta make a perfect ball.
A unique style, man.
And then flatten it like this.
Yeah?
Oh, look at that. Look nice. Look at the chicken there.
Oh, that looked nice.
My chicken done.
You got some seasoning right now?
Season up and now.
Everything balance.
Look at that. Look at the seasoning.
Good, man.
So that's the curry right there. Beautiful curry color. This is what makes all the food better in the Caribbean, huh? This is hard work. Oh, what a beautiful day out there, huh?
That's the meal. Yep, it's gonna be amazing. So we're gonna close the pot and we're gonna allow it to cook. So all the liquid is gonna be almost dried out.
Yes.
Wow. And all that liquid's going
So,
straight
my
into
viewers
the
and-
dumplings, so they're gonna be nice and
My viewers and subscribers now have an idea of how Colaz make the dumpling. And remember, I tried it, I do it to myself, me do it to myself, and I tell her. Them dumpling really nice. I think me dey make some rundown. Cook, we use the coconut juice, make the rundown, and put the dumpling them in the rundown. Boy, I tell her, nice. Go and watch still.
juicy and flavorful. You wanted me to hold it the whole time?
When we in the nature, we use most natural stuff as possible. So like instead of using a dish towel, we use this.
Last time you're
It's like not coming off.
Jamaica like that.
Yeah, last time I washed my hands in Jamaica, I was at the crab shack.
If you don't remember, he was the one who was eating the crab from, you know what go on. Yes, man. You know what that lady do? We're not going at that, but he was the guy who made that video. Yes, man. You could go and watch now.
With Alice. I was with Alice.
I saw you, man.
There you
You saw
go.
that?
Eating those crabs.
Bro, it was some good muddy curry. Curry crabs, bro.
Yeah.
They're super good. Hero Circle, shout out.
I have to be blazing. So I get some pimento sticks under there.
You're saying it doesn't smoke as much.
No, yeah, the pimento doesn't.
That's why it's so good for the jerk.
Yeah, once it catch properly, no more smoke.
So it's a subtle flavor. It's not super overwhelming with smoke and stuff for the jerk.
Yeah.
Wow. Got the fire rolling. Gotta put the pot on top. Got the fire rolling. Gotta put the pot on top. What was that? Sunflower oil. So oil and curry?
Yeah. So essentially you just burn the curry.
This is burns the curry. Ooh, what's that? Scotch bonnet?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. That's what gives all that Jamaican food such good flavor. Scotch bonnet.
My viewers and my subscribers, to all you all who don't know or don't understand or not understand the style what we cook with is authentic. A Philly style. We make it. So when you go some places and you eat some food where people call Jamaican food, if you cannot cook the food authentically. Just call it food and not Jamaican food. Oh, we sound? We sound good? Because sometimes we go some places and eat some food where them call Jamaican food. As a Jamaican, born and grow, as a Jamaican chef, it hurt me heart.
Every country does it differently. Scotch bonnet is a local pepper.
Woo, yeah, that is it. You can take a look in this spot right here. It's going down. All the flavor is coming up. Now.
So it's simmering down.
Yeah.
And basically the dumplings are absorbing all that flavor. It's gonna be so good. That with the fowl, ain't no joke, man.
That is it. No joke. Yeah.
Gonna break the whole thing?
Yeah.
The knife. Where'd the knife go? Bro. I mean, if it's dead, use it, right?
Yeah, it's a dry piece. You see that? Don't be touching there, start playing.
I was gonna ask if I can try it.
Oh, you want to try it?
Yeah.
You have to put pressure in it. Put pressure on the masher.
That's like cutting in pieces here. Slowly. God dang.
Alright, curry chicken. Man.
Nice.
Hey, curry chicken. Not no chicken curry. Curry chicken. Remember, the curry going at the pot first, then the chicken after. So curry chicken. Not no chicken curry.
Curry fowl.
Big up the rest of Caribbean
Dumplings
Island.
right here.
Yep. So we let the coconut boil down just a little bit more before we get it on. Yeah.
Looks so good. It smells amazing.
Wow, the ASMR.
A bubbling ASMR. Oh wow, this is the curry goat. Look at that fire right there. Nothing like being out here in the middle of nature.
Middle of nature. Beautiful. Yeah.
Epic. Feels good in this heat.
Jamaica is a land of beauty, tropical paradise.
We're not
Aye.
we're not. That's good.
God-given
Wow.
place. Who wouldn't be glad to be a Jamaican? My God, hey?
So I'm gonna let you try this even without the chicken.
Wow, the chicken. So we're just gonna try one.
Let's go try it, yeah.
Wow, look at, I mean, it smells so good. Coconut popping out of there. Yeah, a little bit of that yummy white gravy. It's like a white gravy. It's like more like a stew.
Just gonna let it cool a little bit.
Yeah, let's try this dumpling. It tastes coconut. Nice and hard. Filling. Phenomenal. Very good. I mean, this mixed with curry is gonna be epic.
Jamaicans! What the Jamaican in there? I will not take this thing make a joke. What the Jamaican there? You remember when you used to go bush, go cook, and nobody know no fork, and you have to cut stick and eat dumpling? Because remember, you know, never rice. It's always dumpling and chicken or breadfruit. I remember when nobody know no spoon, no fork to eat with, we used to have a broke stick. Sweet tooth stick. And eat with. You don't remember when you was a boy, when you was a girl, and I go cook out a bush. Nowadays, people say them I go camping. Oh, I'm going camping. Me watch a video the other day. In a Jamaica, and they say them I go camping. Me I say, camping? We never go camping in a Jamaica. We go a bush, go cook out, go cook. back in the days, but now them a say them a go camping. Why everything change?
Try nice dumpling? These are massive dumplings. So peaceful out here. Wind blowing. Nice hot food. And sauce. Almost like a white creamy curry. Mm-hmm.
Good.
Lovely.
This is for you. Go.
Fresh coconut.
Yep.
It's like a 1 gallon coconut.
Holds a lot.
It holds a lot. This is a massive coconut. Are there so many, like a lot of varieties of coconut here?
Yeah, well, different colors, and I guess. So you have the yellow one, you have the red one, and then this is a green one. So I think those three, but they taste the same. Yeah, same taste, just different color, skin.
Yeah. For me, what I find is sometimes they're sweeter, you know, and that's like the difference.
Yeah, sometimes it's a little bit.
I'm sure there's a coconut nerd somewhere.
There's a coconut nerd out there. Please let me know what type of coconut this is. Is there a name for this coconut? Jamaican
I'm
coconut.
sure there is.
I mean, I know there's thousands of species in a palm tree, you know? Look at that. It's bubbling. That's amazing with the leaves inside. Now that's ready. Come over here.
Woo!
Careful right here, right here.
Amazing! Now look at that.
Now it's thick.
Come on, all right there.
And you're gonna put that dumpling back.
Why pot ready, people? Pot ready?
Thick.
Come on, all right there.
And you're gonna put that dumpling back.
Just warm it up a little bit.
Warm up the dumplings.
Ah, yeah.
Can't wait. Dumplings. The
Man.
wow. Nice thick curry.
Why, David,
Nice,
ready?
It's very rich right now. Ooh.
Yeah.
The breeze up here.
Hey, people,
They could.
me pause it for now. Take a look. Take a look on the view. No done?
Now I've been better.
It's ready.
Alright, so we put some dumplings. Then we get some of that great curry.
Two dumpling,
Eating this with hands.
3 and 4 more.
We're using a stick.
Using a stick.
Using a stick?
Yep.
Oh boy, I tell you. Look there, man. I haven't been hungry.
It's gonna be good. Alright.
Why have you?
Come on, fall. Well curried. Coconut oil.
Good meat. So, Colaz, we've seen that you're like the Mr. Beast of Jamaica, giving back to communities.
Yeah, we do a lot of charitable, work sometimes, and it's great. It feels good. That's the main reason for that. It's good giving back. Helping people. Yeah, we grew up rough. Childhood growing up, and then we reach a level where we can reach out to someone. So that's what we do.
Good.
Yeah.
I'm very happy to hear that.
Yep.
And you were raised in this area?
Yeah.
Born and raised?
So, where we were running on the fowl, that's where we pretty much grew up.
Oh, wow.
We know all the people who live there, and their children, everybody, yeah.
In terms of beaches, you were saying a lot of these are public?
Yeah, for the most part,
Beautiful.
we wouldn't classify it like as a beach,
man.
but it's more
Nice.
like natural, so we just call it a sea, like a seaside, yeah.
Well, if there's sand, right? It's a
Rocky,
beach?
yeah, more like rocky, untouched, so, not somewhere that's developed or anything like that. We just go, enjoy, cook there sometimes, just swim, do a bit of spearfishing.
And this is the entryway to Portland, right?
Yeah,
Right.
yeah. The border is literally a couple of steps, Yeah, from here. We just need to get back down to the road, the bottom of the road, and then about 2 minutes we are into Portland. Yeah.
Very meaty. The flavor in the curry. It's an amazing meal.
Yep. Nice, you know? And everything tastes a little bit better, you know, when you cook it on a wood fire. All natural, you know?
For sure.
Today was good. From running down the fowl, coming up in the hills, you know, being here, you know, sharing and learning together. Amazing. Yeah.
I love that we got there. The road's like very rocky. We get out and he's like, we're going after these birds. I'm like, what's happening? It was great.
Yeah, man. Very good, very good. This is just a small part of my team that are here with me. So, you know, these two guys, that one. So we have a pretty big team. Actually, Colaz TV is like, we have 3 teams. We literally have a team in St. Vincent and Grenadines.
Okay.
We have one in Kingston, Jamaica, and they are focused on feeding the homeless and the less fortunate.
And so what's the mission of your brand?
Well, honestly, we just do things like and let things flow naturally. Yeah, so for me personally, I like to tell people that I don't literally put a lot of plan into what I'm doing, because I want to, you know, remain authentic and natural. So I just get up and I call the guys and say, hey, we're going on the river today. We're going to cook some food. We don't plan. Sometimes we just, you know, use what's available.
Can you tell us one beautiful memory you have here in Portland? Maybe with your family or something you just remember that stands out in your life?
Okay, so I'd have to say, growing up, like these parts, we used to, well, my mother used to go to the market, and we used to have to come and carry like the stuff for her to sell. So the jelly, the coconut, the banana, the yam. And at those times, we didn't have like vehicles. We have to carry the load on our head.
Oh wow!
Me excited.
But looking back now, back on those times, beautiful memory. And I believe that I kind of incorporate some of that into the whole Colaz TV channel. You know, in terms of the food that we cook, how we do it, and all of that. So get that authentic root, you know, and we kind of build on that as well.
I love that.
It's a wholesome vibe too, I guess.
Yeah, it is. It's like a rustic, wholesome vibe.
Yeah, natural. Sometimes, like I said, we're barefoot and a lot of people would be watching and say, why are you barefoot and whatever?
Oh, I love it.
You know, we say, you know what, that's just in us. You know, they will see climber climbing the tree and they will say, you know, be careful. Yeah, we know that accident can happen, but at the end of the day, you know, we grew up on that. Because I used to climb a lot of trees myself. So grew up on that. We grow rough in the countryside, in Jamaica. We grow rough. So we use that as, you know, at our advantage.
I mean, if you're in the bush every day, like you're enjoying it.
So that is it.
That's great.
What's one thing you wish outsiders knew more about real Jamaica?
Alright, so Jamaica is, well, the people, we are beautiful people. Sometimes we're a little bit rough, but if you get to know us, like spend a little time and know us, we are beautiful people. So I wish, don't follow the media, like the mainstream media that you see putting out all this violence and all this thing. I mean, what I realize is that they don't sell the good parts of Jamaica. So that's where YouTubers come in.
Yeah.
And we do the work and show that there's much more to Jamaica than just violent activities. Jamaica is beautiful. Look at the view right now that we have, and we can come together as a team and as a people and just unite. You know, we bring a lot of persons back home, you know, who were scared to come back.
Yeah. No, yeah.
Jamaica is beautiful. And the people are nice as well. We just have to get to know them and give them a chance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For sure. Yeah, people are so friendly everywhere here in Jamaica.
Yeah.
That's why we keep coming back.
Oh, we love it.
Yeah, that is it.
Well, I love the food. This guy killed it with that curry common foul, right?
Isn't it common foul curry?
Ooh.
Push it up there.
Alright, guys. Caribbean, you guys are debating too much. I love it, though.
Feel it on the ground?
On the way up, it was steep. It was intense. You had to like haul ass. Now he's gonna go slow. But he's going downhill. Oh, like
Yeah, and the place is wet, so if you go fast, the bus will slide.
You're going through a jungle though.
Yeah, but it's fast.
Well, I tell you, it's good to be a Jamaican. Remember, I tell us. Remember. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. I know. You want to. Now, my viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. Thank you very much for watching this video with me because me have fun watching it. David have a lot of fun. Colaz them have a lot of fun. And me happy and glad say me get the permission to react to this video. The way I react to it. Because it bring me back to my childhood, my young boy days. When we used to run down fowl and catch a fowl. Take off the neck. Throw it in hot water, pick it, and cook it. No, my mother used to cook it. So, with that said, peace and love. And you don't know, each and everybody, go over to David channel. Check him out. Yeah, man, check him out. So, again, peace and love, enough respect, enough manners, and you don't know, have a beautiful day. I'm out and I eat that.